Welcome back guys. Today we'll be continuing fuels. So today we'll be seeing calorific value and its measures. So there are two measures of calorific value that are possible and are referred to as GCV and LCV. So first we'll see GCV, that is gross calorific value, or HCV. This is higher. H stands for higher. Now we will see the definition. So let me write the definition. It is the total amount of heat liberated when a unit quantity, that is, a quantity may be unit mass or unit volume of fuel, is completely burnt in oxygen or air, and the products of combustion are cooled down to the room temperature. This was GCV. Now let me explain how it works. So almost all the fuels contain hydrogen. This is simple. Now, so during combustion, the hydrogen gets converted into steam, and now when the products of combustion are cooled down to the room temperature, the steam gets condensed into water and the latent heat is evolved. Thus, in the measurement of calorific value, latent heat is also included in the heat measure. So this gets added in the HCV. So this is why it is called the higher or gross calorific value. The word higher is for latent heat, which also gets counted. So it will be measured by bomb calorimeter. So now LCV, this is lower calorific value, or we can also write that NCV, net calorific value. So let me write the definition. So it is the net heat produced when a unit quantity of fuel, that is, unit quantity means unit mass or volume, is completely burnt in air or oxygen, and the products of combustion are allowed to escape. So here the products of combustion are allowed to escape. So in this case we see that when the fuel is burnt, the water vapor formed due to presence of hydrogen in the fuel are not condensed, and it is allowed to escape along with the hot combustion gases. Hence a lesser amount of heat than the gross calorific value is available. Therefore it is called lower calorific value or net calorific value. So there is a relationship between LCV and HCV. LCV is equals to HCV minus latent heat of water vapor formed. So this is a general formula or conversion. So now for in the units of calorie, this is LCV is equals to HCV minus 0.09 H into 587. 587 is the latent heat of vaporization, calorie per gram. So you don't need to see how it comes. This is the most used formula that mostly comes in exam, and the unit is mostly calorie per gram. So this was LCV and HCV. Now we'll also see a small topic, that is theoretical calculation of calorific value. Calculation of calorific value of a fuel. So let me write the definition, what the main formula. This formula was this is also known as the Dulong's formula for calorific value, formula for calorific value. So it is, so here we can see that GCV or ACV will be equals to 1 by 100 times of 8080 C plus 34,500 H minus O by 8 plus 2240 S, and the unit will be kilocalorie per kg. So where C, let me write here, C comma H comma O comma S are percentage of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur. So in the fuel, so this was basically all for calorific values. So thanks for watching it.